The Kathleen teenager accused of shooting and killing her 12-year-old sister and then setting her family's home on fire last year pleaded guilty in court this morning. 41 NBC's Skylar Henry has more on what's next for Carmen Collins.
For more than a year, Carmen Collins claimed she had nothing to do with her younger sister India's death, but then recently she changed her story.
When I met with her, she told me that she did in fact take her sister's life.
Collins' parents sat with tears in their eyes as the teen faced Judge Edward Lukemeyer and pleaded guilty Friday to malice murder and first-degree arson. Public defender Nick White says she confessed after leading lawyers to believe what he says was a very convincing story.
She told us that there had been other people involved and that she had initially confessed out of protection to her parents because she was afraid that those others that were involved would harm them or harm her.
Collins is sentenced to life in prison with the possibility of parole for the malice murder conviction and 20 years in jail for the arson conviction.
The state's going to drop the other charges on the indictment, which were basically felony murder counts and possession of a firearm during the crime count.
Houston County District Attorney George Hartwig presented the timeline of events that led to India's death at the Collins' home last July. Carmen was left home alone with her sister in the house and started to pack bags to run away. Her sister saw her and tried to stop her. Hartwig says that's when Collins went for a gun and shot her sister.
After that, went and retrieved a gas can from the shed, poured some gasoline in the house and ignited it.
She then took her parents' car and drove to Columbus. Collins' mother, Angela, said Carmen had a history of running away and hanging out with her bad crowd, but says she was never violent and says she'll never stop loving her daughter.
We want to for the day that Carmen is back with us, and we still love her and always will.
In Warner Robins, Skylar Henry, 41 NBC News.
And Collins' parents declined to comment. She has the possibility of parole in 30 years from when she committed the crime, which will make her 47.